So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will help me to extract the required items for the quantification purpose, right? So I will try to write the prompt, and then I will ask ChatGPT to just give me a complete list of items that need to be quantified. Okay, in order to do that, what I will do that I will just copy this drawing. So this is the drawing that we are going to use. And this drawing is all about, you can see, is guardhouse, floor, roof, ceiling plan, building, elevation, layout room, finishing, door, window, schedule, and architecture. So as you can see, that floor plan, roof plans, so there are a lot of quantities involved in it, right? And we will try to say that what are the items that ChatGPT will enlist for us. Okay. So what I will do, I'll go to access this file and I'll drag and drop it here, right? So as you can see, that file is already been here. So what kind of prompt, it's really up to you. But for me, what I'm going to write is okay. So what prompt I have created is you give this instruction to the ChatGPT, and now you're asking that you are a senior quantity surveyor, construction estimator, AI researcher, and construction technology consultant with extensive experience in NRM2, PlanSwift, and AI-based image recognition systems. So now I would say that create a tabulated item of takeoff for architectural item using NRM2, order and extract the items and quantify it so that I can kickstart standard procedure. You also need to identify what items you cannot quantify, give advice, shortcomings in drawings. If possible, you can mark up the drawing to cross-check your work. Right. So now I'll send this command and let us see that what ChatGPT will give us back. So now it started working on it. So it says reading PDF skills. So now you can see that this all operation is currently going on, in which read quantities, read spreadsheet and API documents, enhanced and cropped floor plan image, and estimating room dimensions, right? If I maximize it and what it says, I prepared a preliminary NRM2 ordered architecture takeoff from the single page guard house drawing. The workbook includes measured quantities, assumptions, open schedule, exclusions, drawing, shortcomings, and recommended RFIs. The marked up drawing identifies the main measurement zone for cross-checking.